How to transfer files from Google Drive to USB flash drive. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can transfer all the files or chosen files that you would like to be transferred over from your Google Drive to your flash drive. So, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to plug in your USB flash drive onto your PC. Now, once you've plugged that in, you can go directly into this PC, and then you should be able to see which local or which specific file or folder that your USB got into. Say, for example, it was allocated onto your local disk E. You've got to make sure that you have enough storage for you to transfer the file that you have from Google Drive into your USB flash drive. So you've got to have that state as it is first, and then pull up your browser and simply access your Google Drive. Make sure that you're logged in as well. Now, for you to be able to transfer multiple files, what you will have to do is click on My Drive, right click on an empty space, and choose on New Folder. So you're going to have to name the folder. So, say, for example, testing. Then, once you successfully created it, just pull it up, and then you can drop the files right here. So, you can right click it and you can upload anything that you would like to have the. And then if you would like to move specific files into one single folder, all I have to do is to click and drag on the file that you would like to be moved, and then just simply hover it into the folder that you created. Once you've done that, right click on the folder that you created, choose on download, then you have successfully downloaded it. Simply click and drag the file onto your USB flash drive. That easy. And that is how you transfer Google Drive files into your USB flash drive.